Oh boy, Google is listening to the consumers. Pixel 7 Pro is coming with some of the big features which wasn't expected. The promotional specification is out from a Taiwan retailer, and this confirms some of the big features in the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. And top of the list is Face Unlock. Don't you get worried if you love fingerprint scanner, since Google is keeping the two options, Face Unlock and the fingerprint scanner, but it is still unclear how secure this one is without the 3D depth camera. Both phones comes with IP68 certification just like the Pixel 6 Pro, and one new big thing, Titan M2 security chipset, which is Google's own SoC. Camera lovers, come closer, the big updates are confirmed and you guys should be happy. We're getting an update in the telephoto camera and a big update in cinematography, where we are going to get a 5x optical zoom instead of 4x from last year and whopping 30x digital zoom instead of 20x last year on Pixel 6 Pro. And on Pixel 7, you guys will get a 8x high resolution zoom. Both phones come with the same 11 megapixel selfie shooter, but no autofocus. Seems like previous rumors were wrong about this update. But the new big feature coming to this year Pixel 7 cameras or ultra wide sensor is getting in autofocus, a new macro focus mode, and a new movie blur feature which is mentioned on both devices, which is more for giving a cinematic look and good depth of field just like we have seen on the recent iPhone 14 Pro Max. The big update is its new Tensor Gen 2 chipset, which is more secured. As per claims, the new Titan M2 security chipset is a multi-level security system to help keep your personal information safe, and Google is after improving the machine learning by 35% and 20% GPU improvements, which will improve a camera a lot since Google's most of the camera pipeline runs on GPU. The battery is not mentioned on this spec sheet, but the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro batteries are already confirmed. 4700 mAh on Pixel 7 and 5000 mAh on the Pixel 7 Pro. Both phones comes with a 30W of fast chargers. A sad news for a storage lover, since this also confirms we are only getting two storage options, 128 gigs and 256 gigs, no 512 gigs version available, and you guys will get 8 gigs of RAM on Pixel 7 and 12 gigs of RAM on the Pixel 7 Pro. If you are thinking of getting a Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro, then pre-order deals are great. If you buy from Target, you guys will get a $100 gift for Pixel 7 and $200 gift for Pixel 7 Pro. You may find some of the exclusive pre-order deals including a free Pixel Watch when the time arrives, at least in European market. Google is going with the Pixel devices on October 6 and pre-orders will start from the same day. If you're looking for an unboxing video of the Pixel 7 Pro, then you guys should check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.